Welcome to my channel. How to set up Virgin Media Hub 4. Step 1. Unbox the hub, open the package and ensure all components, Hub 4, power adapter, Ethernet cable, coaxial cable, and quick start guide, are included. Step 2. Choose a central location, place the Hub 4 in a central area of your home for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Avoid placing it near thick walls, metal objects, or other electronics. Step 3. Connect the coaxial cable. Screw the coaxial cable into the socket labeled cable on the back of the hub. Ensure it's tightly connected. Step 4. Plug in the power cable. Connect the power adapter to the hub and plug it into a power outlet. Turn it on by pressing the power button. Step 5. Wait for the hub to boot. Allow the hub to boot up. The white light on the front will blink and then turn steady, indicating it's ready. Step 6. Check the connection. Ensure all cables are securely connected and check that the light remains steady white. This confirms the hub is connected to Virgin Media's network. Step 7. Connect your device. Use the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the bottom of the hub to connect your device to the network. Step 8. Access the web interface. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.0.1. Log in using the default username and password, printed on the hub. Step 9. Customize Wi-Fi settings. Update the Wi-Fi name and password to something personal and secure. Save your changes to apply them. Step 10. Test your connection. Connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and test the internet speed to ensure everything is working correctly. Thanks for watching.